grandmother, who fell in love with the dish and ran off to a distant land. You know, the old dish went away with the spoon. Yes? Okay. Lately, though, Spoon had been feeling blue. "Oh, what's wrong?" asked his mommy. "You look a bit out of shape." "Oh, nothing," mumbled Spoon, as he sat in his bowl of blueberries. "It's just that, I don't know. All my friends have it so much better than me. Like Knife. Knife is so lucky. He gets to cut, he gets to spread. I never get to cut or spread." "Yes, Knife is pretty spiffy that way, isn't he?" said Mommy.
Cheese.
And
Cheese.
Fork. Fork is so lucky. She gets to go practically everywhere. I bet she never goes stir crazy like I do.